This is my house. It's not big, and it's not small, but I like it. 3 people live here. This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Matt.
This is David.
Hello, my name's David.
And that's me.
Hi, Helen. Pleased to meet you.
So there are 3 people, but there are 4 bedrooms. So today is interview day.
What's your job?
I'm a jazz musician.
Really? What do you play?
The drums.
But he's very quiet. And friendly. No dogs.
Sorry. £150 a month. Great. No.
£150 a week. Sorry. Where are you from?
Edinburgh, but my job's in Oxford.
Good.
This is a nice house.
Thanks. We're happy here. Okay. Okay, and
Cigarette?
I don't smoke. We don't smoke. Do we?
No. We don't smoke.
Oh,
Sorry. This is terrible.
Who's next?
Her name's Jane. She's number 8. She's the last.
So, Jane, tell us about yourself.
tell you what.
Anything?
I'm from Brighton. I'm a drama teacher. I don't smoke. I like films, good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Italian, French, Chinese.
Do you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
Do you have a dog?
No.
Cat?
No.
No animals.
Do you play the drums?
No.
The trombone? Violin? Saxophone?
Nothing.
That's great. Jane, it's your room.
Fantastic.
When can you move in?
Next week?
This week? Tomorrow?
Sure.
Welcome to 53 Blackwood Road.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So now, there are 4 of us. There are 4 people in the house now, and I'm very happy. And Jane? Well, we all like her.
Morning, everybody.
What's this?
It's a video film about my new house and my new housemates. It's for my sister Alison.
Oh, right.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Ali. This is the kitchen. And who is this? Say something.
See what? It's 7:30 in the morning.
Talk to my sister. Introduce yourself.
Go on, David.
Hello, I'm David. I come from Manchester. I'm a lawyer. I work in Oxford. That's it.
What things do you like?
I like my job. I like football, swimming. I like a quiet breakfast, and I don't like video cameras. And I start work at 8 o'clock, so bye.
Bye. David's nice, really. Ready?
Just a minute. Ready. Hello, my name's Helen. I come from London, but I live in Oxford. What else?
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for a publishing company. I work in Oxford, but I sometimes go to the London office. I usually go to work at 8 o'clock, and I get home at 6:30.
Is it a good job?
It's a very good job. I really like it. What else do I like? I also like good food, films. I go to the gym at the weekend. Oh, and I like travel. I love France and Spain. I speak a little French and Spanish.
What things don't you like?
Well, I don't like noise. Oh, and I don't like cigarettes.
Great.
You're welcome.
Where's Matt?
I think Matthew's still in bed.
Matt? Matt? It's Jane. Can I come in? Matt? Do you want to be in a film for my sister? Just say something. Where are you from? Matt, where are you from?
Birmingham.
He's from Birmingham. What about your job?
Shop manager.
He's a shop manager. He works in a computer games store. He likes computer games. Matt? Do you like computer games? And he likes rock music. And he loves his bed. Matt? What time do you usually get up?
7:30.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's Wednesday. I start work at 1 o'clock on Wednesdays.
Matt? It's Tuesday.
A perfect start to a perfect day for Matthew. My room. It's big. It's comfortable. But I don't know. The walls. This chair. Everything.
Move the bed.
Where?
How about under the window?
Put the hi-fi on the chest of drawers.
Put the chair in the corner.
I don't know.
Why don't you paint it?
Paint what?
Paint the room!
I don't know. I'm not very practical. I don't like painting. I'm always too busy. I don't really have time today. I have a lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. It's impossible.
Can we do it for you?